Number 3. Stimulate recall of prior learning. Drive thinkers relate ideas with the way of learning. Review prior material. Explain how prior knowledge relates to the new topic. Initiate discussion by group. Our case student to discuss prior learning is process very related to the learning. Then, the purpose of this is to share tips that enable learners to apply different materials. Number 4. Present back content. We variety statements to present content such as flowcharts, diagrams, and multimedia. Other strategies are readings, audio lectures, PowerPoint with audio videos, and websites. Ang purpose is to convey information that elicits learning. There goes the new topic or information. Dave.
So, good morning everyone. So, my name is Ellen J. Lagan. I will continue providing guidance. Provide guidance. The purpose of provide guidance is shape tips to enable learners to apply the new material. The instruction provide guidelines, tools, and strategies to support learning, but without giving the answer. Then include job aids, cheat sheets, tip boxes, additional reference, and role plays. There are other resources and next study guidelines, third guidelines, rubrics, deadlines, and group discussion. 6. The illicit performance. Discuss role plays and quizzes. Offered strategies are short quizzes, draft of paper, and games. Then 7. Provide feedback. Include feedback on quizzes. Second, peer review of feedback and instructor review of feedback. Practice online quizzes with immediate feedback discussion. Then sa 8 is to assess performance, conduct surveys, and pass training discussion with supervisors. Specific strategies niya is on the job performance evaluation. Other strategies are then second, finish paper, products, path video, and essay exam, quizzes, and presentation. And last is enhance attention and transfer. Is specific strategies is use social media, newsletters, and blogs. Then brief our class on what has been learned. So that's all. Thank you. Any clarification, reaction?